Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I'm making a loaded carrot cake. This is gonna have everything in it. It's gonna have walnuts, coconut, and raisins. So that's why I'm calling it a loaded carrot cake. So if there's anything you don't like, supposing you don't like coconut, just omit it. It's a great cake with or without any of those items. So let's start things off. Right here I have a bowl. I'm gonna sift 2 cups of flour. This is all-purpose flour. To my flour, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now I'm gonna sift all this into my bowl. So these are my sifted dry ingredients. Just put them to the side. This is my stand mixer. I'm going to add my wet ingredients together. Okay, this is 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar. This is 1 1/4 cups of vegetable oil. I'm going in with 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to mix this together. Okay, so everything's mixed when it comes to my wet ingredients. Now I'm going to start adding my flour. I'm going to start mixing it up until it's combined. Don't overmix, just until you don't see the white parts anymore. And then a couple of times I'm going to scrape the sides to make sure nothing's sticking to the sides. So when you're using the stand mixer, you just want to make sure everything is away from the sides. Just check it. Okay, so now I'm going to add my carrots, my walnuts. So that was 2 3/4 cups of shredded carrots and 3/4 cup of walnuts. This is 1/2 cup of raisins and 1 cup of shredded coconut. There's the loaded part of this recipe. So now we're going to mix all this together. You know, I almost forgot. 8 ounces of crushed pineapple. Yummy. So now we're going to mix all this together. Here's my baking dish, 9 by 13, sprayed with a baking spray. I'm going to add my batter to the baking dish. My cake is ready for the oven. I have a 350-degree oven waiting, nice and hot. We're going to put this in anywhere from 40 to 50 minutes. I will let you know, until the toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And here's my cake straight out of the oven. Now we're going to let it cool off completely, and we're going to make a beautiful cream cheese frosting for on top. You know when it's done, stands the toothpick test. Clean toothpick. So now I'm going to start on some cream cheese frosting. This is 8 ounces of cream cheese and 1 stick of butter. Both are room temperature. Let me show you. They're very soft, both of them, okay? So it's going to be a lot easier to mix them. This is 5 cups of sifted powdered sugar. And to this, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to mix this together. And that's it. I'm going to frost my cake. So here's my cake with my frosting. Just decided to put my name on it. I'll cut into it, let you guys see what the inside looks like. So here's my loaded carrot cake. And you can see some of the raisins, you can see the carrots, yummy. Pineapple, you have walnuts, that is a loaded cake. This is loaded carrot cake. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell to get all my recipes, and I'll see you next time.